up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're back over here, Coastal Plains Dragway, Al Boogie, no prep takeover. Today, we're running small tire 29.5s and below. We just got through, Zach changed the doors. We took the steel doors off of it and put the carbon fiber doors back on it. So we're about to go up here and make another pass. We haven't made one today yet, so we're gonna probably go ahead and tweak it up a little bit. It rained last night, so they had to make the track safe. So part of making the track safe involves dragging it and sometimes putting down a little bit of glue. So they put some glue down on the big end because there was a lot of water. So they ended up doing a little bit of slight prep. There ain't nobody going to be unhappy about a little bit of prep today at the top, I can promise you that. So here we go. We're going to go up there and make a shakedown real fast. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com, grab you a t-shirt and a hoodie, and get entered to win a Hans device. Comment, like, and subscribe. Later. Okay, so here we go. We're fixing to go ahead and push up. We got the front end bolted back on. The carbon fiber doors are on it. So we're going to roll up there now. Randy and Milton hadn't got here yet, but we're going to just roll up there, me and Zach. It's always easier with the more people. And so it's always nice when everybody's here, but they're running a little late, but that's okay, not a big deal. We're going to roll up there. We're going to make a pass, and we're going to turn it up a little bit from last night and see if it'll go down. All right, check it out. All right, guys, well, that pass did not go as planned. We had it, I think, a little too hot. It left on, it tried to leave. Well, no, it did leave. It left the line, but I think we just got too much wheel speed early. It left on 6 pounds of boost instead of 3.5, 4 pounds of boost like it was last night. And it had a little bit faster ramp in it. But, you know, so when you leave with more boost, the boost is automatically elevated. And so it's just going to fall. It's going to make more boost early. And I think that's what happened. So we're going to turn it down so that it doesn't leave on quite as much boost. And we're going to try it again here in just a couple minutes. Although we are going to go live on YouTube. So this pass will also be on YouTube Live, if you saw that. I appreciate it. Thank y'all.
Door technology, the 101 is on there. Go check it out.
Thanks, Steve. Okay guys, so we decided to push up here. We're gonna try to make one more pass before we get into first round. Track is coming around. We're gonna go back to basically our first tune-up that we had where it pushed real hard to the right. So we're gonna try this. Let's see what happens. All right, check it out.
So if you have a nitrous car or something that you want to be at the line already, just have your people put you right on the line. That way you can't bump up or roll up and up. Just don't jump the light because you're going to throw your chance of winning away. And let you know if you jump. If I tell you to jump, you jump. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no disputing it and all that. Jump. Other than that, have fun and all that. Start telling you to do this, that means spool up.
Absolutely.
Or if I tell you to do this and you know you got a trans brake, that means get on the trans brake. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna do that for you to get on the trans brake or whatever. Yeah, then I'm gonna run back and get the.
Don't go on the
First round call out. Yeah, man. Small track guy. It's gonna be a gonna make you pick last. Right here. Turbo John.
Turbo John ain't scared. Who got? All right,
I think
5 and 6.
I think Turbo John is driving and recording. Hey, 5 and 6. That's what it is.
You got
That's
5.
what it is, man. You drive a car and you 4 and 7 at the same time.
Left, you in the right. I'm in the right? Yeah, right.
Who the first two?
What's his name?
Ryan Bunch.
I got the last one in there.
Oh.
11 and 12. Rematch from last night.
Hopefully not the same outcome for my point.
You see my tracks down there? I might be in trouble. You see where it goes off the glue and about goes across the center line? That's me. The last pass. Rematch. Two little duckies matching up in the first round.
Y'all want to say anything about this before y'all get going?
Oh, this is going to be a great race.
Great race. Ooh, this gonna be good.
We're gonna make the trip this time.
All right, guys. Well, we got Brent first round again this time. We had him first round last night too. He's been making some licks today though, so we might be in trouble. You can see way down there on mine that last pass. See those marks going right there. Those marks that go to the right after that glue stops. That is my car. So that is probably 400, 450 feet out. we're going to need to take the boost out of it right there. The car was kind of tracking over to the right a little bit, but then it hit that spot out there and it was like done. So my goal, what I need to be, I need to be to the left a little bit when we get down there. When we get down there, I need to be over, I need to I need to be over here somehow, so that if it starts tracking right down there, it might spin anyway, but it went out of the groove, and that's why it went so bad. But this is gonna be fun. All right, here we go.
Give it up for 17.
All right, guys, here we go. Here's Brent. He's strapped in over there. We got him first round again.
Wait, Brent.
But he is, this ought to be a good race. He's been making some licks today. This ought to be a drag race. What I did for the tune is I took 5 pounds of dome pressure off at the very, very, very top, but I shortened the ramp up a little bit. So it should come in a little bit faster and harder. So we'll see if it works out. We got just a couple more pairs in front of us and we'll be gone. Here we go. All right, guys. Well, we went from winners to first round ducks. How about that? That's a good. So a couple things what we did. We probably should have just left everything alone. It went fast on the pass before when I made a shakedown. The last shakedown went a 521, which is reasonable, but it's not super fast. I mean, it looks like everybody else is about the same time, maybe a little bit faster. But we decided, well, I appreciate it. We turned it up just a little bit, and it made about, right here at this point, it made about a half a pound more. No, it made 1 more pound to boost right here at this point. So it was a little more aggressive. But we so the tire shook on the pass before, so the track is feeling kind of sticky. So we were at 10.5 pounds of air pressure, and so we went up to 11 pounds of air pressure. And a combination of that 1 pound to boost right there and the 1 pound or half a pound of air pressure, it just kicked the tires. Now, right before me, I mean, Dace, I mean, he about got his sideways and about hit the wall. He done a fantastic job keeping it out of the wall. So he done good. But we, first round ducks, I mean, what can you do? I drew a bear first round. I mean, Brent's been, he's been making passes all day, and the car's been getting faster and faster and faster. So I knew I was going to have to go, so I needed to put my best tune-up in it, and I thought that was it. But if the track would have been, able to handle it, or the car was better, able to put the power down, it might have went down there. I don't know how fast he went. I mean, he doesn't have a draggy. I've got a draggy, but he put the whipping on me. Even when mine started spinning, it smoked the tires a little bit, a real quick puff, and I pedaled it real fast. But it hit the tires. What can you do? Can't get it off?
Dude.
You gotta open it. You gotta open. Look, it blew off last time, and ain't it? Look, he's. Nah, he's like, dang it. That is funny.
I ain't never had that much trouble trying to get it.
Were you messing with it the whole time? Oh, that's funny. All right, so we had 12 cars. So we went out first round duck. Winner to first round duck tonight. So, but they're down to 6 cars. I don't know if we're going to stick around all night and hang out. I'm a long ways from home. I was down here all night last night. And so I think I'm going to head to the house. I'm going to probably head to the house a little bit early. We'll see in a minute. We'll see what everybody wants to do. All right, guys. Yeah, we're going to load up. It started sprinkling rain out here a little bit. And, I think they're going to be able to race tonight. I'm a couple hours from the house, so this just means I get to go home early and hang out with the family, which is always a good thing. I appreciate y'all joining, hanging out, working. Sorry I was a first round duck. It'd been nice to get $5,000, but, well, I'd have probably been splitting it. I mean, it'd probably been like, but it would have been like $2,000 to win or $1,000, $1,500 to win if anybody else would have wanted to. I don't know. But instead, we're going up with a goose egg. We've had a very good 2 weeks, though. I mean, it has freaking been hot. The car has been working. I think we just made a tuning call error that time, which he went down clean over there. Brent went down clean. So I don't know that I could outrun him anyway. That's the reason I turned it up. So, I mean, it's one of those things. All right, guys, don't forget, go to turbojohnracing.com, grab you some t-shirts, and you get entered to win that Hans device. Comment, like, and subscribe. We will see y'all soon. Later.